It's the most wonderful time of the year, tax season. Hey again, I'm sure you think I'm very confused by what makes the most wonderful time of the year. But tax season can actually be a great time of the year because we can gain so much insight into our financial situations by gathering all our documents and diving into our tax preparation. This week, a client wrote, "I'm looking at my 1040 and I really don't know what I'm looking at. Can you help?" I think one of the most important educations we can give ourselves is learning how to read our tax return, the standard Form 1040. It can feel daunting, but it's actually not as complex as it seems. Here's a breakdown to help you navigate it. Your 1040 form is divided into sections. Personal information, this includes your name, address, social security number, and filing status. Income. This section details all your income sources like wages, interest, dividends, and retirement distributions. Each type of income has its own line number. Adjustments to income. This section allows deductions for things like student loan interest, educator expenses, and contributions to retirement accounts. Some lines may require additional forms. Taxable income. This line shows your income after subtracting all of the adjustments. And then tax and credits. This section calculates your tax liability based on your taxable income and filing status. It also lists any tax credits you qualify for that reduce your tax bill. And then payments and refund or amount owed. This section shows how much tax you already paid through withholding or estimated payments, and then it determines if you owe additional taxes or if you're due a refund. And within those sections, there are lots of line numbers. Lines 1 through 36 are all detailing different types of income. Lines 38 to 42 are for deductible items like student loan interest, medical expenses, and charitable contributions. And lines 43 through 46 record your standard or itemized deductions, whichever makes more sense for your tax situation. And the big three lines, as I like to call them, are line 54, your total taxable income after all deductions and adjustments. This is the actual amount of income that you pay taxes on. Lines 55 to 62 show your total income tax liability, meaning the total amount of income tax you're responsible for. And lastly, line 72 shows how much you still owe, or if you're due a refund. Even though we're not tax preparers, there is so much information we can glean from our clients' tax returns, and so many ideas for adjustments that can be made simply by understanding the tax situation. Some questions that come to my mind sometimes when I'm reviewing a client's tax return are, can they save on taxes by adding more to their retirement plan? Do we need to try and accelerate income to take advantage of a low tax bracket? How close are we to the client itemizing deductions, and should they consider bunching deductions into a single year? How much of their Social Security income is taxable? Are they paying more in premiums for Medicare because their income is higher? And is there a way to get that down? As wealth advisors at Elevate, we're always looking for ways to add value to our clients' financial lives, and helping them manage their taxes efficiently is a big part of that, because paying less in taxes could be the difference between a successful or an unsuccessful retirement. Happy tax season, and here's to finding ways to be tax efficient in 2024. Cheers! At Elevate Wealth Advisory, we want our clients to understand their financial plan, their tax return, and all of the various forms they need to submit. If you need help, we're here. Book a free consultation at elevate-wealth.com and click Let's Talk.